Hello, we're here at Joey Accardi Dodge Chrysler Jeep with Deanna Perez.
Yes.
And her recent purchase, actually lease,
Yes.
of a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Tell us how your experience was.
It was amazing. From the minute I walked in to the minute I got in the car, I just felt comfortable. Everybody was so helpful, and it was in and out. So that was the other good thing about it with having two kids. So I know everybody out there that needs to be in and out. It was great. So.
Well, that's awesome to hear. Manny was your sales consultant, and so he made it easy for you, huh?
He did. Very helpful. Got the prices that we wanted, so that was also helpful too. And the car and everything. So.
Well, we really appreciate your business. And Manny, did you have anything to add here?
Just really good customers. Glad here at Joey Accardi we were able to help them out and got exactly what they were looking for,
Yes.
plus some. So
Yes.
congratulations.
Thank you so much again.
Thanks again, Deanna.
Thank you.
All right, give us a thumbs up for Joey Accardi. All right.
Thank you.